Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your video clip in Filmora 11. Okay, so you know that it is very easy to rotate the video, scale up the video, scale down the video, and change the position of the video in Filmora 11. By the way, I'm going to show you how to transform my normal widescreen video to a vertical short video. And this tutorial is a little bit different compared to the previous one. Okay, and you know that I make a lot of short video now, and I think I love the short because it is easy to edit. Especially I want to show people about food, Vietnamese food, which is very interesting to me. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so this is my example project, and actually it is my next short video. And now I have some video clip here on the timeline, and I shoot all of them with my DSLR. By the way, I just rotate my camera to vertical to shoot it vertically. By the way, the camera cannot recognize it, and it still has a wide screen, and also it is not in vertical like shooting in smartphone. For example, this one, for example, see, so this is a wide screen video. By the way, it just rotate like this, and now I need to do the rotation and also scale up the video. Okay, so for example, I have something here. Let's delete this first. I will use this clip for example. So this is the first clip. Let's keep the project setting. For your information, my project setting is 9:16. Okay, so we can see it here. It is 9:16. It is in 1080p and also 24 frames per second, and it is my normal short video. And let's click OK. And now you can see that the video is just very tiny at the center. Okay, and in order to transform your video, you have two options. The first one is to double click at the video on the timeline. Just double click and then go to video, select basic, and now you have the transform tab right here. Okay, so this is the first solution. And the second solution is to select the video on the timeline, and then you can click this option, edit, to open the property of the video. So it is the same. Okay, just click here and go to the property, and then you go want to see the transform. For a video like this, a widescreen video like this, but it's scaled down to the center of the video, we can firstly select the rotation right here, and then we can type 270 and press enter. So by doing that, I will rotate it and make it vertical. Okay, so it will be vertical like this. And the next option is the scale. By the way, I just want to increase the scale of the video right here. Okay, and then I can click at the preview window here and then move it just to fit the screen. And now I have a vertical video. We fit the screen. Okay, and let's mute the audio and play. Very nice, right? So that is how to transform the video clip. By the way, we can do this trick to copy the effect from this clip to the other. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this clip on the timeline. Just put it here on the timeline, and normally I will make a 25-second short video. So I'm going to copy the effect from this clip and paste it to here, because it is here also very tiny at the center. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to select the video clip here, and then right click, select copy effect, and then we can highlight all of them, and then right click and select paste effect. By doing that, we have just created multiple transformation for all of the video. Okay, and something will look like this. Very nice, right? And at this position, it is also rotate 270 degree, and also the scale. Okay, we can double click to preview it, as you see here. So the parameter at the transform is 270 degree for the rotation, and the scale is 173. Okay, and let's click OK. By doing that, I can create my short video very fast. Okay, so I hope this tip can help you understand the software better and how you make better video with Filmora 11. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.